pals, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lucy. Welcome. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day and I hope you had the chance to do something nice for yourself, because today we are talking about something super pleasurable. I know where your mind might go, but this is Foreo IRIS device and this is eye massager. So get your mind out of the gutter. I'm gonna show you how to use it, what are the benefits, and I'm gonna show you my hack. First of all, apologies for my bare skin. I know that without makeup I look like a homeless person, but it's a skincare video. I didn't have a choice, so let's move past this and let's focus on this gorgeous lady. Like all the Foreo devices, it comes in few different shades. I got mine in baby pink to match my whole Foreo family. It comes in the box like this, and inside you have obviously the device, USB charger, and the bag so you can store your device when you're traveling. And I wish my UFO came with the same bag, but luckily it can store it both. All safe, protected from the dust, and ready for travel. Just to put this very short, Iris was designed to imitate Asian finger massage, and it's supposed to help you reduce appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, dark circles, and depuff the under eye area. And you can use Iris with your favorite eye cream or even gel under eye patches. And today I'm gonna use the Inkilis brightening eye cream. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit under my eyes. And now I'm gonna turn on the device. And it has two settings. The pure mode is imitating tapping massage, and the spa mode, it also has T-sonic pulsation, and you can adjust the settings of T-sonic pulsation with those buttons here, and you change the mode by clicking the button in the middle. See, now it's just tapping. And now it's with T-sonic pulsations as well. And the T-sonic pulsations will make active ingredients from your skincare penetrate your skin a little bit deeper and be more effective. And as you can see, I'm using my iris like this, and I saw a lot of people using it like this. And I'm not here to judge, you do you, but the device was designed to go like this to stimulate the finger massage. But honey, if it works for you, and you can also go above. Okay, I hope you can see the difference. Obviously, my dark circles would not disappear after one use. This is the whole process. But if you have puffy eyes, it will stimulate lymphatic drainage and it will depuff your eyes instantly. The other benefit of Iris is that it will relax your muscles around your eyes, and that will prevent of formating those annoying crow's feet. Iris is made of medical grade silicone. That means it will not absorb any bacteria or the product that you want to apply. So if you are using more expensive eye cream, it's so much efficient to apply your eye cream with Iris, because the whole product's gonna be absorbed by your under eye area, not by your fingertips. And this is something that I've learned from my friend Chris. He is also on YouTube, still in luck. I'm gonna link his channel in the description box down below, and he is your to-go guy for anything Foreo. And if you like to dig a little bit deeper into skincare ingredients, you definitely need to go and check his channel, and while you're there, give him a sub. And my hack, my trick with Iris device is that I don't only use this for my under eye area. So I saw in one of the videos that Charlotte Tilbury, when she is applying her magic cream like I'm doing right now, then she likes to do this finger massage just to stimulate the blood flow and absorption of active ingredients. But because I'm a little bit lazy, I like to go with my iris instead of my fingers. And I just like to massage basically all my face. And this is so relaxing. And again, just like it did on your eye area, it will relax the muscles, so it will prevent formation of mimic lines, and it will make the active ingredients from your skincare penetrate your skin deeper, and it will stimulate blood flow and lymphatic drainage. So many amazing benefits in one pink device. And basically that's it. It's super easy to use, very relaxing, and the list of benefits is quite long. So I would recommend for you to grab this, especially when you have problems with puffy eyes it will get rid of those annoying bugs very quickly. Or if you have problems with relaxing in the evening, girl, let me tell you, I like to get comfy in my bed, apply eye cream, massage my under eye area, and it's so relaxing that I'm falling asleep in minutes. Okay, hats, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please click the subscribe button, give me thumbs up, show me some love, show me some support, and see you on the next one. Bye!